So this is going to be a antiviral, antibacterial complement to OHN. So you're going to chop your aloe vera up like this. Just nothing too difficult about this. You're going to want to keep it 1 kilo to 1 kilo. Pretty much like making IMO, only it's different. So you put that in there, and then this one, believe it or not, actually smells really good when you finish it. We had a nice batch of this, but the cat ruined it. So the cat jumped through the bucket. That's why I use hard covers, because I have animals. They destroy everything. So we're going to mix this in here. This one actually happens pretty fast. I've seen it finish before the actual time, the 7 days, but I like to leave it a little long just to be sure. So here you have it. I don't have a name for this one. I'll think of something, I'm sure. So by the next video, I'll have a name for you. But this is aloe and molasses, 1 kilo to 1 kilo. It's good for antiviral, antibacterial properties. So we'll see this one in a week. All right, we're back with the final day of the aloe serum, which is the aloe and the molasses mix, 1 kilo to 1 kilo. And this is good for a complement to the oriental herbal nutrients, which is used for immune boosters as well. This is a nice antiviral, antibacterial supplement that I'm going to be using with the plants and animal feeds when we get to that point. So this is pretty cut and dry, pretty simple. Do this, strain out your aloe, get all your liquid out of it, bottle it, and be done with it. Very, very easy to do, very simple, and it actually smells very good. So thanks for watching this one, and hope to see you next time.